Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm here to do a punch Destash. It is going to be US only, PayPal only, friends and family, and it's going to be by email so I can keep track of who, it's going to be a first come, first serve type of deal. So it's the only way I can keep track of who's emailed me. And just to be fair. Okay, so this is lot number 1, and you just have to tell me if you're interested in lot number 1, and I'll figure out the shipping for you. But I am asking for this lot to be $75 shipped. Oh, sorry, plus shipping. Oh, God, because this is going to be very, very heavy. These are very big punches, as you can see. Ooh, gosh, and they're hardly ever been used. I think I might have used this one, and I also labeled them, well, one of them, but this is probably the only one that I really used out of all of them. This is a set, and this is a set, and then these are just borders, and then this is a corner one that I can't find. I don't know if it came with a border, but I'm putting it in there anyway. So $75 plus shipping is what I'm asking for this lot. So let me move this away. Okay. Next one is going to be like a flower lot. This one is a cut emboss, I think. And then I have some EK Success ones. I have this one, and then I have this one. This one hasn't even been taken out of the packaging. So there's that one, this one, trying to, this one, I'll show you the back. This one I never used, I know that for sure, and then this one. I am asking $45 plus shipping for this one. Okay. Next one is a Halloween themed. So there's that one. There's a mini one. So this is lot number 3. And then here's the corner of, see, I don't know if this one came with a border either. I don't think so. I think these were separate. So this is going to be $45 plus shipping for this one, because these punches are really heavy. So that's lot number 3. Okay. Lot number 4 is it's a fall theme one. So there's this leaves. Now these I bought long time ago, and I never used them, probably maybe one. And I want to say this is Imagination. It's an old set, but it's really good quality. Okay. So it comes with that set. Ooh. And a bigger set. Punches. And I'm asking $55 plus shipping for this set. And it's a fall set. I'll have it all listed down below. Okay, so the next one is a Valentine's theme one. I have that one. This corner one, and this corner. This EK Success one, I think I might have used it. I can't remember if I did or not. And then Martha Stewart. Lot number 5, I'm asking 45 plus shipping for this one. Okay. So the next one is lot number 6. And it's a Christmas or snowflake set. These are the two that go together. Here's, I think this is oh no, these are tonic snowflakes. I've used these many times. And then here is an EK Success one, I think, yep. And this one does different, like 3 different cutouts. And let me make sure here. It is kind of hard to maneuver, so I just want to demonstrate it so it does work. I'm going to close it up. And I am asking 45 shipped. I mean 45 plus shipping for this set. Okay guys, that is all for my what do you call it? My my punch Destash. Let me know. I'll have my email down below. So if you're interested, send me an email which lot you're interested, and then I will send you an email back with the complete total. So yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Thanks everyone in advance, whoever purchased these punches. They've been in my stash for so long and I just want to get rid of them. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and until the next time, bye.